To reset an Electrolux washing machine, start by pressing the power button to turn it off. Then open the door. Next, press the power button again to turn it on, and wait for 5 to 7 seconds to allow the machine to complete its initialization process. After this time, hold the soil and options buttons simultaneously until the display turns off and on. Then release the buttons. For models with a knob, unplug the machine. Press the start or pause button for 5 seconds. Rotate the knob to the off position, and then plug it back in. Press the start or pause button for another 5 seconds. Turn the knob to the desired cycle, and press start or pause to begin. Some models may require unplugging or tripping the circuit breaker, waiting at least 60 seconds, and then restoring power. After doing so, open and close the machine's door 6 to 12 times to initiate the reset process. It is essential to consult the user manual for specific instructions tailored to the model, as the reset process may vary. By following these steps, the Electrolux washing machine can be reset,